Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Natural Soul Secret. Have you ever wondered how ancient beauty secrets can still work wonders today? Well, Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth, has been a game changer in skincare and beyond for centuries. But do you really know all the amazing ways you can use it? In this video, we're diving deep into the incredible benefits of Multani Mitti and how you can use it for glowing skin. So, make sure to watch till the end because you don't want to miss these life-changing tips. What is Multani Mitti? Multani Mitti, or Fuller's Earth, is a natural clay loaded with minerals like magnesium, calcium, and silica. It has been used for ages in skincare, hair care, and even as a cleaning agent. But why is it so special? Let's find out. Benefits of Multani Mitti. 1. Clears acne and pimples. Multani Mitti is famous for its oil-absorbing properties, making it a perfect solution for people with oily and acne-prone skin. It helps to remove excess oil, unclog pores, reduce pimples and blemishes. How to use: mix 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti with rose water. Apply it to your face and let it dry for 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Use twice a week for the best results. 2. Brightens skin and reduces dark spots. Tired of dull and uneven skin? Multani Mitti can help brighten your complexion by removing dead skin cells and improving blood circulation. How to use: mix Multani Mitti with lemon juice and honey. Apply it to your face and leave it for 15 minutes. Wash it off with cold water. See the difference in just a few applications. 3. Controls excess oil. If you struggle with oily skin, Multani Mitti can be your best friend. It controls sebum production, leaving your skin fresh and matte. How to use: mix it with yogurt and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 10 minutes and rinse off. Feel the oil-free freshness instantly. 4. Soothes sunburns and skin irritation. Multani Mitti has a cooling effect that helps soothe sunburns and irritated skin. How to use: mix Multani Mitti with aloe vera gel. Apply it to the affected area. Wash off after 15 minutes for instant relief. 5. Removes tan and even skin tone. If your skin looks darker due to sun exposure, Multani Mitti can help remove tan and bring back your natural glow. How to use: mix Multani Mitti with turmeric and milk. Apply it to tanned areas. Let it dry and rinse off with water. Multani Mitti is truly a miracle ingredient with so many benefits. Whether you want clear skin, healthy hair, or even a natural cleaning solution, this clay has got you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next